Welcome to my channel today, guys. So today I'll be teaching on how you can use AI to edit your picture, change the backgrounds and make it look more realistic. The first thing you do, carry your picture to your Photoshop. Everyone have their own pattern, so this is the one I do most times. The reason is this one will make me to keep my original image the way it is after editing. So okay, that's open, just cancel. Now what you do is just size it. Most cases I use my Instagram size, just change it to this size, crop it where to how you want it to be. Now crop it. Once you are done, you don't need to trim anything. So most time will just trim and just separate the image from the background, so that when I come back I will not have any issues. Put my feather tool and Command J, that's all. I will just fit this other part, but it's not compulsory for you to fill this part. Sometimes you can leave it, but I just want to fill it for the purpose of this video. So fill it. Don't worry about the result. If it's bad or it's rough, just don't worry about it, because we're going to change the background anyway. So now save it. I'm saving it as JPEG to replace this one. What I just did now is to make sure that when the AI change the background for me, the image will still be in that same position. So I'm leaving my Photoshop now, and let's go to my AI. So this is my AI. So I'm using Gemini for this tutorial. Copy my pictures and put it on my Gemini AI. Now I'll go to my prompts. Here I already have my prompt prepared. So I have a list of prompts here that they are just for photographies and everything. So I'll copy the first one. This will enable me to change the background to what I want. For smart enough, I can just screenshot and get the prompt and go to my Gemini here. I'll paste the prompt. Now what I would need to do, as you're putting this thing here, you need to select your background that you want to put. Don't be deceived. When you give AI the best background you want, it just comes out very nice. You don't have to start using AI to generate background. First, choose the kind of background you want to use for that picture, so that you get the best result. So let's choose the background for it. Let's choose the background and just say okay. I can say I want to use this particular background. I can say I want to use this particular background. Let's go back to our background so that we know what we are doing. So if I want to use this background now, which background should we use? So let me just pick a random background. Like I want to use this background for it. I'll just copy it. So I'm taking this thing out, put the background first. Pasting the background first. I'll go back to the picture, I'll copy it again. You can upload it from this place also. Since I'm using MacBook, it's easier for me to just copy and paste. Now the instruction here is to make sure that my image is locked and switching the background, keep everything as original, that's the blah blah blah. Then turn here to your generating image. So turn it to image. So create image. So what I'm doing, creating image, then I will upload. So allow it to create. My AI is creating my image for me. So the image is ready. So you can see it just changed my background for me. But the issue here is, you see, the quality of this image now will not be as like the way it's supposed to be. So that is the reason why we do that trimming. So now let's download it. I will download this like this. Now the benefit also is going to make sure that the edges of your pictures are well like the edges, the hair and all those ones are well blended. So let's go to download. Now let's go back to our Photoshop. Drag this image and just put it on top. See, you see it now. The moment we paste it inside, this one is on top. Let's zoom out so that you can see what I'm talking about. This is the one. See it now. If we on it like this, you just give it that exact position. Now the prompt will make sure that everything here is the same. the prompt make sure that my face is not changed. Look at it. You see, this is what Gemini AI did, and see the quality is bad, so I have to put the original picture at the top. This is just the trick. This is the reason why we have to trim and put it back. But the most important part is to make sure that everything is still the same position, so the pixel at the same position. So now thereafter you can do your retouch and come to the ground. Also, if you want to do more things, just unlock and clean the logo art, because actually this you always change the background with AI. Now if your image is not well grounded, like my prompt make mine to be grounded, you can just overlay it. You see it now. You want to overlay it now, double click. You see you have gotten a very nice background before and after. Hard light, so you understand. You can double click as a double it duplicate, sorry, then put it on normal back and mask this one. When you mask it, you expand your brush tools, then make it soft, the air soft, and you just paint on top. I'm doing a rough work because this is just for this class, so just take it out like this. So see, you just paint. So it's easy. Now you have changed your background. This one you can put any background you see on the internet. Now I want to blend this. Just come here and blend it so that the flow will, this edge, this part will be blended. So before and after. So let's go back and let me merge these two together. If I merge, if I go with before and after, before and after. So in my next class, if you want to learn how to retouch professionally, so we'll do that. For the purpose of this one, this is where we are stopping. This is how you can change your, you can edit with ChatGPT or Gemini AI, so that you can get a very background. Those of you that does not know how to change background, are just starting to learn how to get into this business, like this photography business. This this tutorial is for you, to help you skill up and do a better job for your clients. This one does not require much experience. So if you like my prompt, do well, please. They are not for free. You can buy my pack. Yeah, so just join the group. There I give people free things, and sometimes you buy some of these things from me also. So the link will be on the description. Join my WhatsApp group so that you learn more from me. Thank you.